Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I have $60 right there of prop money to go into my family binder. So let's get to saving. And let's start here with my daughter. This saving challenge is created by Budget with Carly, say 75. So let's go right here in the middle. I was going to roll, but nah. We're just going to pick one and go with it. So $8. Oh, what is that? 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, next is me son. And I think, we just got one more scratch on that one. And this one is created by Lemon Ivy, say 75. So last one. All right, and that was a 6. Okay, this wasn't too hateful. I thought it was just going to have a lot of big numbers since they didn't have that many scratches for 75, but this was awesome. So 75. I mean, what I'm talking about, $6. Oh my goodness. So 5 and 6. And then we should have 75. We have 50, 60, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, $75. Yes. Do I need these ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probably so. I don't know. All right, so that is 75 for the sun. Perfect. And let's go to me, Miss Queen of the House. This is created by Janelle Ray Budget, say 60 plus. So let's go here. And that is a 6. All right. 5 and 6. Next, we got Hubby. And, oh, this is a new one for him. We did finish one already. And this is created by Bookish Mama Budget, says 55. And let's go here. And that is a 6. So 5 and 6. Little honey pod. Some honey for my honey. And we got just one more episode, I swear. And this is created by Mischief Managed Budgets. And I'm just going to pick a card in their card. Let's do this one. And this is saving for home. So this is so cute. Oh, we hit the, I think this is amounts 1 through 15. And we got that hot 15. So 15 right here. 5, 10, 15. And the total is 120. And so the adventure begins. And this is saving for anything travel related. And both of these are created by Bookish Mama Budgets. And let me see, we got a few dollars left. Let's do one on each. So that is 4, and this tiny little one down here is 5. So $9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we got like 10. Okay, we doing it. That's perfect. So $9 going into adventures. Next, oh, I forgot my What the Duck book. Hold, please. Okay, I don't have to go too far. So let's see, what are we going to do? This is created by Snowgarner 307, and we are working on What the Fire. So this is a duck named What. And he got Miss Georgette and Fred. Oh, look at that. They all helping him putting out the fire. That's what I'm talking about. Teamwork make the dream work. All right, we got a nice 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6 left. $6. And should we just put that in our like catch all? Yeah, let's do that because I don't want no IOU. We sure ain't get no IOU. Let's bring this out. And I got this from Snowgarner 307. So this is just like a buffer, rainy day kind of fun. I kind of explained it last video. So if you missed it, so I am treating my emergency funds as true emergency. I want to continue to build on my emergency fund. My rainy day fund is for those, it's like a buffer. So if I forget to budget for anything unexpected comes up, knock on wood, we may need something for the house, or one of the kids may need something that wasn't budgeted for, or my husband or myself. This, I will pull from this first and study the emergency fund. Like I said, emergency fund, I want to keep building up on. Rainy day fund is there for, I'm reaching for this first. Okay, I hope that makes sense. You get it? You got me, get it? I don't know. It kind of makes sense in my brain. And yeah. I'm just gonna leave that at that. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and $6. So let's add the $6 here. And this is like 100 envelopes. So I started off trying the 100 envelope challenge and it was like too much for me. Whereas these are 100 envelopes and I'm putting whatever denominations in here. And we just gonna see, hey, how much it is gonna be in here after we complete this. I want to see how much we got so far because I'm curious myself. So we got 20, 35, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So that's not bad. $45 already. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 envelopes completed. So yeah. So that's kind of my plan rationale for this one. And like I said, this emergency is going to be just true emergency. I want to just build up on this, and after I get, my goal is going to be at least 2,000 when I get to that 2,000, and then I want to work on my month ahead. So something like that. So gems like that is $60 put into my family binder. Thank you once again for everyone. I did reach my 400 subscribers. I'm so happy about that. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. A lot of fun, a lot of realness, a lot of mess ups, but hey, we can learn from it and move forward. And if you already subscribed, feel free to share with a friend, and remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.